The doors to Jin Chan's in Cabbagetown have been flooded with people.
But now we are, booked out. Every table, every bar seat is reserved, like on the weekends. It's pretty wild.
Part of it could be attributed to the unique options for food.
We do pizza and Chinese.
But something else they've been dishing out has caught the attention of many. Customers paying a 4% health insurance fee for the restaurant's full-time employees.
This year it covered every single thing. And it was $2,000 off, which means that 4% is just like, it's almost the perfect amount of money to cover everyone's premiums.
The business says it was implemented after their premiums more than tripled.
We feel like there's a pretty huge crisis going on with health insurance. No one can afford it. Nothing has worked.
Emily Chan and her wife have been doing this for more than a year.
They have a message posted as soon as you walk into the door. It's on every menu and on all receipts.
The signage also states they can remove the fee without hesitation if the customer chooses not to pay it. But recently they received these threatening messages from out-of-town guests who aren't so happy about it. One in particular was mad about a $2 extra fee.
They ate food here, dined in, said nothing while they were here.
Sam Hammer, the lead bartender, has been working here for a year and said before joining the team he didn't have insurance.
I don't have money like that. And so I was just kind of like living my life without it.
Others we spoke to off camera are happy their dollars are helping others.
People who walked in the door and said, hey, I hear what you're doing for your employees. I've worked in the restaurant industry and we never had health insurance.
Chan hopes this will make a difference in the lives of her employees.
Not changing a thing.
But also send a message to the entire industry.
The only thing I hope that we can change is if Congress does something, then I can just take that line item off completely and not even worry about it.
In Atlanta, Asia Wilson, Atlanta News First.
Why would you make that the customer's responsibility? The employees work for you. You paid for it. This is the problem I have with people in America with capitalism, because it's so stupid and greedy and scumbaggish that they don't understand that it's your responsibility to take care of your employees, not the other. It's not, I come there to eat, right? It's bad enough I got to pay a tax. It's bad enough I got to pay a gratuity. I got no problem if the service is good. I'm paying the tip, right? 20%. I know it's a bunch of greedy ass servers out there that want 25% or 30%. I'm not even going to say what I want to say because YouTube. What I will say is, yeah, I don't agree with the threats. Shouldn't be sending no threats to people, especially if you sat your ass there the whole time, didn't say nothing, right? That's some sucker shit. What I will say is that's the responsibility of the employer to provide health care for your employees. Not only that, if you don't want to, there's healthcare.gov. I know because I applied for the shit. Now I don't have healthcare at the moment because I keep missing a damn deadline. But last time I checked, the healthcare for a single person my age, and I'm between the ages of 35 and 45, the healthcare was roughly $89. The guy said he ain't got money like that. You ain't got $90 a month. See, that's the problem. People's priorities in America are fucked up. If you care about your health, then you should actually get healthcare and spend $100. It's not that deep. If you ain't got a family, it ain't that expensive. And everybody that they paying to in that damn restaurant didn't look like they had a child or a family. And even if they did, you got a partner. You playing life on easy mode. Play as a team. You can't afford $200-$300. Split down the middle was $150. I can do quick math. That ain't hard. The only reason I figure I do this is because I'm in Atlanta. This is in Atlanta. And now that I know this scumbag ass place exists, I won't be going there, right? Because that's the priority of the employer. I don't know why they always try to pass the buck. Stop passing the buck and handle your due diligence. If you don't want to handle your due diligence, the employees need to take responsibility themselves and prioritize their health care. They ain't that hard. But I'll be damned if I go to a restaurant and you make me pay a 4%, right? Altogether, she probably got about 20 employees, 20, 30 employees. I'll say 20 because it's a small establishment. You got about 20 employees. Give or take healthcare annually for all those people in there, about 5,200. That's quick math. Pay the shit yourself or make them get it. They got all these government programs. They can't afford healthcare. People don't need to be eating there. But I'll tell you like this, the people that do decide to see the 4%, they eat there. Hey, if you like to tack on another bill for another person, especially a stranger, look, I'm going to keep it 100. I don't like people. So as much as I would wish that the world would change in certain aspects, not like that. I don't like you that much. And I don't care about the world trying to change because One thing I've never asked in this world is people to make my responsibility their responsibility. In any event, if you like this video, subscribe, turn the notifications on. If you that scumbag that don't want to offer healthcare to your employees or even lead them down the direction to healthcare.gov, F your mother, and I'm out.
No!